How can we explore what it means to be human, while, at the same time, find answers to age-old problems and newly rising challenges alike? All of this and more is within our reach. The rapid pace of change in technology has opened new avenues for learning, new opportunities to shape our understanding and the ability to express ideas in a way we never could before. With what's on offer, we can completely shape the world around us. It provides a completely different lens through which to view our environment, our shared histories, and the complex challenges we must face together. Digital skills aren't just for thinking about the big picture. They are a foundation from which we can build our lives, careers, and wider futures. The humanities are at the center of our understanding of our world and how we can make it better. How we use new technology will allow us to push the boundaries of these topics to their very limits and open the doors which lead to progress for all. The world is at your fingertips, and if you choose to embrace what the use of new technology has to offer, who knows what you can achieve.